So this is our GFS na sa babaw. Yes, GFS. So try to put something.
Ako pa ng nerves.
So kung sa lang So log in, which means wala pa na siya. Okay, next. So it means you need an account, so you need to register. Your name, sir, with a password. Oh, password po with a number of submit. Registration successfully. So successfully you are going to CD.
Sir. Okay, users user. Ano to?
So this is our database. So this is sir po with account number and mail. So
ako nung daw pag-munda kasi muting out. Talaga.
po. So ngayon this is sales the upload that is camera 360. So you put the description, how much it is. Sabi niya books, uniforms or devices. So that is devices. Camera, so it means it is a devices. So yes, in the past, and then product is fully posted.
Makita dito.
And then
Resell.
here's the search item. So we see no cost.
Wala pa. Kaya ang makita na katumukuan.
So because
Buyer.
so this is the device.
Database.
So database of. So dari makita ang itong sensor katong camera na itong i-upload. It's for 50 devices and so search items. Devices. This is camera. So you see the camera, you can view the camera. So you can buy. So try to click view. In view you see the image of the camera and how much it is. click the buyer's button, you see nothing. It means nothing in buy. So if you like to buy this, just click the buy. Okay, so when you click that, it is added to your favorite items. So in your favorite items, you see the camera. So when you
What's nakababaw?
click that, you can view or delete that. So in view, you can view again
The buyers.
and see the buyers. It means this is your number, the name,
Yan na maklik.
but mara.
So, pwede sa
Then
delete.
you can also delete. You don't not okay.
Ayun.
What is
Nakuha na posted item. Na.
wala pang posted.
So, kana paper.
So you paper papel butang ito butang ikuan ka ng 2 pesos lang. Prices, so it is in book.
Na posted items.
So can view
View do.
can view lahat. You can see the buyer na nothing